Okay, P4 week 43, 2024 exam paper review. This is it. Okay, so I'm just going to write here P4 week 43, 2024 exam paper review. So this is actually the last exam paper for the year, okay, for P4. I mean for going through the review. So this is paper 2 of the SCGS SA2 paper. So last week we did week 42 we did the paper 1. So now it's paper 2. So I'm going to go to the first question of paper 2, which is section B. Write 11,035 in figures. This one you cannot get wrong. 11,035 is 11305. No, sorry. I'm the one who got it wrong. So sorry, it's me. 1135035. Okay. All right. Yeah. So 11,035 is written like that. So question 17. Some factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, and 18. What are the other two factors of 18? So we need to list down the factors of 18 in order to see what are they. So it's 1 and 18, right? 2 and 9, 3 and 6. So if I will list out the factors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So I have already got 1, 2, 3, 18, which means I'm missing number 6 and number 9. So the other two factors will be 6 and 9. Question 18, what is the remainder when 4,279 is divided by 4? Do your working. 4279 divided by 4. So this will be 1 minus, this is 2. 2 divided by 4 cannot, 20. So bring down the 7. Cannot, 20, 2 divided by 4 cannot, so 0, not 20. What am I talking about? So 27 divided by 4, nearest is 6, because it is 24. So this 3, bring down the 9. 39 divided by 4, nearest is 9 groups because it gives us 36. 3. So remainder 3. What is the remainder? Your answer is 3. Don't write 1069. I just want the remainder. So you must write 3. Okay. Question 19. Arrange the following numbers from the smallest to the greatest. So this is a fraction and this is decimal. So change 2/5 to a decimal. You times 2. 4 over 10, which means it's actually 0.4. This is 0.4. Okay. But if you want to compare, right? Actually, I told you before, this is 3 decimal place, 3 decimal place. Convert this to 3 decimal place, 0.400. You will find it easier to compare as well. Okay. So if you look at this, right, you can see which one is the smallest. It's actually 0.048, followed by 2/5. Do not write 0.4. Always write down the original value given. Then the last one will be 0.408. Okay. Question 20. Write the decimal represented by 8. So if you look at this scale, reading number scale, right, or decimals here, there's a difference of 0.1 because 0.7 minus 0.6 is 0.1. And there are 10 markings. So which means one marking will be 0.1 divided by 10, 0.01. A is on the 8th marking. So 0.01 times 8, 0.08. It is 0.08 here. This whole thing up to here is plus 0.08. So what is the value? 0.6 plus 0.08, which gives us 0.68. This is your answer. Okay. Question 21. 9.3 minus 0.77. Convert 9.3 to 2 decimal place. Easier to calculate. 9.30 minus 0.77. Cannot borrow, you borrow because you cannot subtract. So this is 2, this is 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 2 minus 7, also cannot borrow. This becomes 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Then this is 8. 8.53. Question 22. What fraction of the colors are gray? So if you look at this, right, fraction means you need gray over your total. So gray, there's 5. Over total, there is a total of 12 stars. So what fraction? If you look at this is already simplified. So you don't need to simplify anymore. Your answer is 512. Question 23. You have to add this. Express the answer as a mixed number. So 3 over 10 plus 4 over 5. Make them the same denominator. You times 2. 3 over 10 plus 8 over 10, 11 over 10. This is improper. So which means that you change to a mixed fraction or mixed number, it'll be 1 whole 1 over 10. So it's 1 whole 1 over 10 because 11 over 10 is actually 10 over 10 plus another 1 over 10. And you know 10 over 10 is actually 1 whole, correct? So that's how you get your answer. Question number 24, measure and write down the size of angle X. So I want this one. Okay, the answer is 160 degrees. But if you're not sure how to read, I cannot put a protractor here now, you see. So if you're not sure how to read, please approach your teacher. Understand? Okay, then your teacher will show you. Okay, 25. Tom is facing east at first, whereas east here. Okay, if he turns 135 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction, which direction will he face? 135 is actually 3 groups of 45. Anti-clockwise, I remember to go the correct way. Anti-clockwise is this way, okay, backwards. So you go 345 degrees. This is 145 degree, 245 degree, 345. So what position is this? It's actually north, west. You should know how to read your positions already, Question 26. A piece of ribbon is 14 meter long. Jim used 3/7 of it. 3/7 of it means what? 3/7 of 14 meter, which means that I need to cut this rope into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts. Okay, wait, this one not nice. 7 parts. And this whole thing, 14 meter. She used only 3/7, which is 3 parts out of 7 parts. So I want to find left, which is this here. So we can see 7 unit is 14 meter. Look for 1 unit, 14 divided by 7, 2 meter. Left, 4 units. Find the value of 4 units. 4 times 2. Answer is 8 meter. Question 27. Sarah was in school from 0730 to 1400. 24 hours, How long was she in school? So we are going to draw a timeline. She was in school at 0730. She went home at 1400. She left school. So I need to find the duration between these two timings. So what should we do? We break it up into parts. So we can actually see 7:30, you calculate to the nearest hour after 7, which is 0800, right? Alamak, cannot like that. 0800. This is 30 minutes. But from 8 till 14. Okay, if you don't want to do so long, right, you can actually do it to the 12 o'clock mark, which is like 12 p.m. 8 to 12, 4 hours. 12 to 2, it is another 2 hours. So the total duration, you just add up all this value, all this duration, and that will be your answer. So 30 minutes plus 4 hours plus 2 hours. Answer 6 hours, 30 minutes. So you fill up 6 hours, 30 minutes. Okay. Question 28. Mrs. Tan watched a movie which ended at 0115. This is midnight already. 8 a.m. The movie lasted for 2 hours, 30 minutes. What time did the movie start? Express answer in 24-hour clock format. Okay, can? So you know the ending time, 0115. But the duration of the movie is 2 hours 30. So which means you have to calculate backwards 2 hours 30 minutes. So what we do is we are going to separate. Look at this, there's minutes involved, right? So look at 30 minutes first. Actually, 30 minutes, we can split to 15 minutes and another 15 minutes to calculate. Easier. So 0115, I calculate 15 minutes before. This will be 0100, right? Another 15 minutes before, you will have counted 30 minutes before already, right? This will be 0045, because this is 0100. This is 1 a.m. Before that is 12 a.m. 12 a.m. is 0045. Then calculate another 2 hour back. So 12 a.m., 2 hours before is 10:45, but 10:45 in 24-hour clock is 2245. So the answer is 2245. Yeah, you cannot write 10:45 p.m. I want 24 clock, 24-hour clock. Okay, so you must follow. Question 29. The area of the square is 36. So you don't want a square, right? Draw a square. 36. Find the parameter. So we know area given, right? We can find the side of a square. Area is length times length of a square. So 36 means what times what? Because it's a square, two numbers must be the same to multiply to get 36. So it's none other than 6 and 6. So this is 6, this is 6. This is also 6, this is also 6. Parameter will be 4 sides of 6. Outline, the outline of the shape. So answer is 24 cm. Okay. Question 30. Complete the diagram below to form a symmetric figure. The dotted line that is the line symmetry, draw the other half. Okay, this one please use ruler. So for me, I try to draw as neat as I can. So this one is 3 lines down, right? So you have to draw up to here. Actually, I will just make the point first. Easier to draw. Then I join the points together. Here is this one. So this goes down to here. This goes down to here and then ends here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just join. Try to draw neatly. I join freehand, so you all must draw neatly. Okay. So just join. And you should get something like that. Okay. Use ruler. Question. Next question. It says that for the following questions 31, 32, and 33, refer to the line graph. The following line graph below shows the number of books sold in a bookshop at the end of each month. So for January, you sold each one is a reading of 10 because this is 0 to 50, 5 markings, each one reading of 10. January, you have 220 books sold. February, also 220. March, 240. April is 150. May is here, which is 200. June is 240. And July is 250. Okay, read question 31 properly. In which 2 months were the number of books sold the same? In which 2 months? Some of you will tell me March and June. In 2 months, which means concurrently 2 months, it is not March and June. It is actually Jan and Feb. January and February. Okay, because here 220, here also 220. Okay, the number of books sold the same. Number of books sold the same. Okay. So question 32, what was the difference between the highest and lowest number of books sold? Highest is actually July, which is 250. Lowest is actually April, which is 150. So you take 250 minus 150. Your answer is 100. So please write here 100 books. Okay. Question 33. In which month was the increase in the number of books sold the greatest as compared to previous months? So if you look at this, actually it is very simple. So this one no increase. This one increase of how many only? Increase of 20. This one decrease, so cannot. This one increase of 50, because 150 to 200 is 50. This is the increase of 40. So that means which month increased number of goods sold the greatest as compared? So your answer is actually May. Because when you compare, the greatest increase is in May. So your answer is May. Because it's 50, right? Increase of 50. Okay. Question 34. Alamak, this one also draw. Okay, this one I use ruler, please. Follow the line. So you actually can follow the grid here. You can actually guide you to draw the perfect rectangle. Lines A, B, B, C. Draw 2 parallel lines to complete. So parallel of AB is something like this. Because I don't have a ruler, I'm just trying to draw freehand. So I'm trying to be neat. Okay. So this other parallel, this is parallel to this. So the other parallel will be this one. Try to draw, use ruler and draw. It must be parallel. So this will be the next parallel line. It will form a rectangle. Okay, you should have something like that. Okay, you must use ruler, cannot draw freehand like me because I don't have a ruler here. Okay, I mean for this lah. Okay, I'm using a word call. Okay, good. So this will be something like that. The answer, question 35. Two identical rectangles and one square use identical. So this and this are identical. Same. So EF is half of HP. EF is 1 unit. HP, this 2 units, right? So this and this will be equal. So if I write like that, you all can see it. I just write down like that, right? So this is 1 unit, this is 2 units, right? So this, and this are equal. So find the parameter of the figure given that EH is 24 and PQ is 16. So this is 24, which means this is also 24. 16, this is 16 as well. Okay, this is how many? You know that these two rectangles are same. So which means the length here 24, which means this is also 24. I have to find out what is EF. How to find? You just take 16, divide by 2, which is 8. So, okay, so this is 8, which means that this is also 8. This is also 8. Okay, so I want to find out the parameter. Okay, you know this one, you can use push-up parameter. I can find the length and breadth. The breadth I already know. Breadth, we already know is 24. Then this is the breadth, right? I think I use highlighter better. I don't use red. Yeah, this is 24. So this is 24. Sorry, this is 24. Okay. So wait. Okay. So the length you have to find out this whole thing. How to find? You just add the measurements. The length of the figure will be 24 plus 16 plus 8, which is 48. But then you know that when we push out parameter, I can actually use this and this and this to find the total length as well. So the length of the breadth, sorry. So this is 24. The other breadth is also 24, right? Because you push this out, you push this out. This whole thing will be 24 as well. And the other breadth, sorry, that's the breadth. So the other length, you just push this and this and this together. So the whole length will also still be another 24 down here. Push down, push down. This whole thing will be 24. Not 24, sorry, 48. Not 24, 48. So you need to find parameter means there are two sides of 48, two sides of 24. So 48 plus 24 plus 48 plus 24. Your answer is 144 cm. 144. Okay, this is your answer. Question number 36. Okay, section B done. So I'm going to section C now, problem sums. Okay, during a travel fair, 958 people attended it on the first day. On the second day, 3 times as many people. So how many people attended the travel fair? So very simple. Look at A. A, you know that the first day you have 958. Second day was 3 times of what first day was. So you have to take 958 times 3. Your answer is 2874. So please fill up here 2874. Question B. Total number for the 2 days. So total number, you just have to add this one and this one together to find the answer for B. So 958 plus 2874. You will get 3832. This is your answer for B. And you have 4 marks. 3832. Okay. Question 37. I think I make a bit smaller so you can read like that. Okay. So question 37. Which child bought 3 blouses and 4 skirts for $465? Each skirt costs $20 more than a blouse. I want to find the cost of one blouse. 3 blouses, right? One, two, three. Stacking model, 4 skirts. One, two, what am I writing for? Skirt, right? So one, two, three, 4. Okay. So you know that the skirt is more expensive than the blouse by 20. The skirt will be longer than the blouse. No need. No, no, no. Don't draw two like 2 units like that. Like this. So this is $20. Okay, so the blouse, stack it as normally, right? Wait, this one I draw a bit better. Like that. So the skirt follows the skirt model that you draw. Okay, so this every skirt has a difference of has a $20 more. 20, 20. Total 465. So you have 4 groups of 20. So 4 times 20, 80. Take away to find 7 units, equal units. The value of 7 units, 7 equal units. 465 minus 80, which is 385. Look for 1 unit, 385, divide by 7, 55. Find the cost of a blouse. A blouse is not $20 more, it's just 1 unit. So the answer is $55. So you write now 55. Okay. All right. So the next one, question 38. 38 says the table below shows the mass of meat sold by the butcher in a day. So you have all these readings here. Got beef, mutton, and chicken. So if the butcher sold twice as much chicken as mutton, what is the mass of the chicken sold? So A, you need to draw model, or you need to record. So you know beef is 55.5. But the mutton and chicken, there's a comparison here. Butcher sold twice as much chicken as mutton. So chicken, 2 units. Mutton, 1. Total, 246 kg. So we can find the value of 3 units by taking 246 minus away the beef, 55.5, which is 246 minus 55.5 is 190.5. Look for 1 unit. 190.5 divide by 3. It will give you 63.5. But I want to find chicken. Chicken is 2 units. So you take 63.5 times 2, which will give you 127 kg. So answer for A must write down. Don't write only 127, 127 kg. Okay. Now let's look at B. If the cost of 1 kilogram of chicken is $9, what was the total amount collected for the sale of chicken? So you know the chicken you sold 127 kg. 1 kg $9. So you just take $9. Oh no. I just write more is 127 kg times 9. Your answer will be $1,143. Just find the total cost for all the 127 kg of chicken. So 1143. Question number 39. Okay, question 39. Okay, Olivia used 2/3 kg of sugar. Shannon used 1/6 kg of sugar more than Olivia. Dell used 1/3 kg less sugar than Shannon. What was the amount of sugar used by Adele? So what we're going to do is we write down Olivia, 2/3. Shannon, 1/6 more than Olivia. So 2/3 plus 1/6. Denominator make the same, times 2 times 2. 4/6 plus 1/6. So Shannon used 5/6. How to find Adele? So you just have to minus 1/3 from what Shannon used. So 5/6 minus 1/3 times 2 times 2. Convert 5/6 Yeah, so ugly. Okay, 5 over 6, minus 2 over 6. 3, 6. But simplify, because they want simplest form, divide by 3. Half. Your answer will be half kg. So must write down, half kg. If you never write kg, I think they minus half mark. Okay. Question number 40. Eliza places each group of three balloons 4 meters apart along a corridor. The corridor is 32 meters long. How many balloons does Eliza need in all to decorate the corridor? So you can see from one balloon to another, one group of balloon to another is one interval. Is 4 meters. If the total corridor way is 32 meters long, we need to know how many intervals would there be. So you need to find the number of intervals by taking the total distance, which is 32 meters, divide by the distance for one interval. You will have 8 intervals. So how many balloons will make 8 intervals? You know that the objects will be plus one, right? The object will be one more than the balloon. So one more than the object will be one more than the interval. So 8 plus 1, 9. So how many balloons does she need in all? She needs 9 balloons. Oh, no need, no, nine, not 9 balloons. It's actually how many balloons in all. So one balloon has 3 balloons. One group has 3 balloons. So 9 groups. Sorry, I oversee that fact. So 9 groups of balloons, right? So one group got 3 balloons. So 9 groups will be 9 times 3, 27. It needs a total of 27 balloons. Wait, this one I erased. Okay, 27 balloons. Okay, it's 9 groups, but there will be 27 balloons. Okay, question number 41. There are red, blue, and yellow balls. 1/12 of the balls are red, half of the balls are blue, and the rest of the balls are yellow. There are 680 more yellow balls than red balls. How many balls are there altogether? So we write down red color, we got 1/12. Balls of blue balls have half. So make them to the same denominator first. This will be 6 over 12. So we know that if a fraction is yellow, a fraction is red, a fraction is blue. So that means a certain fraction stands for yellow. So we take one whole minus fraction for red minus fraction for blue, which is 5 over 12. So 5/12 of the balls are yellow, but they compare these two colors, yellow and red. Red is 1/12. Yellow is 5/12. So the difference is 4/12 because 5/12 minus 1/12, maybe you write this. Difference is 4/12 between the red and yellow in fraction. So 4/12 will be 680. Okay, look for 1/12. 680 divide by 4, which is 170. Altogether, one whole, 12 over 12. 12 times 170 or 170 times 12. You will get 2040 balls. So your answer is 2040 balls. You can write down like that. Huh? Okay. Question 40. Yeah. Question 42. Okay, so this one I know you some of you cannot see the measurement. So before you do, you just fill up. Maybe you can pause the video and try if you never do this. Over here is actually 6 meters apart. Over here is 4 meters. So maybe you can pause and try this if you never do this. Okay. So this swimming pool is 50 by 25. Find the area of this shaded part. So we need to find out what is the length of the pavement, the breadth of the pavement also. So length of pavement. So length of pavement is actually 4 meters longer on the left and right. So you take 50 plus 4 plus 4. 58 meters. So this is 58. Wait, maybe a bit smaller, you can see. But what about the breadth of the pavement? So you know that top and bottom difference 6 meter more. So this is 25, right? So 25 plus 6 plus 6. It is 37 meter. The whole thing 37 meter. So we need to find out what is the total area of the uh pavement, the ground of the pavement with the pool. So total area, length times breadth. 58 times 37, sorry, equals to 2146. But the area of the pool, you can find very easily. You have the length and breadth. So 50 times 25, 1250. How to find the area of this shaded part? You just subtract. 2146 minus 1250. 896 square meter. So please write out your unit. 896 square meter. Okay. Question 43. Sonia had 7 kg of cherries more than Tara. When Sonia gave away 1.5 kg of cherries and Tara gave away 0.5 kg, Sonia still had 4 times as much as Tara. How many kilograms of cherries did Tara have at first? We draw our model. Change is given so we can record in one model itself. So Sonia and Tara, Sonia got 7 kg more than Tara. So maybe this like this is 7. Okay, so this is 7. So after that, what happens? Let me use another different color. It says that Sonia gave away 1.5. So maybe a little bit. This is 1.5. Tara also gave away 0.5. Little bit also. This is 0.5. 0.5. Okay. At the end, what happens? Focus on the model that I'm going to color in green. It means at the end, Sonia, this one, and this one, Sonia had 4 times as much as Tara. So Sonia, here for you. Tara here, 1U. Can see? So you know that over here, there's a difference of 3 units. Okay? Because 4U minus 1U, 3U. How to find the value of 3 units? You have to add these two together first. Find this whole thing. Then minus 1.5. So 0.5 plus 7. Then you minus 1.5. Okay, this would be 6 kg. So if 3 units is 6, for 1 unit, 6 divided by 3. 1 unit is 2 kg. So who is 2 kg? Tara has 2 kg. So question asked me for Tara at first. So Tara, you bring back that 0.5. So Tara, 2 plus 0.5. Your answer is 2.5 kg. So write down your answer, 2.5 kg. Okay. Okay, this is the end of the exam paper for week 43, P4.